Big Zulu no Tony Dayimani have a song that is coming up. Big Zulu posted a status on Facebook with the pictures of him no Tony Dayimani in studio. And Tira usamaqhosheni there. I don't know if he's the producer of the song, but the song is a hip hop song though. I don't think Tira can make hip hop beats. Anyways, here's the song. Tell me what you think. On another news, Tony Dayimani has announced an album and a release date. He announced that he will be dropping an album called Red October Induction on the 25th of October. This Friday, he'll be dropping an album called Red October Induction. So he has like a couple of features. He features Younger Chief. He features Questa. He features MT. The song that he featured MT on is produced by Gemini Major. And he has this Mamani on 2 songs. He also has Nomfundo Mo, but yeah. Talking hip hop right now. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about the album Ganda Bezita, because MT is dropping the following week. So I guess on the charts it's going to stay for like a week or something. I don't know, man. DIY3 like Nami. So yeah, tell me what you think about this album. Tony Dayimani, what do you expect since MT is dropping soon? So he's out for a week or chatter for a week, then he'll be off the charts, or do you think like what's going to happen here?